Hey guys, Dominic here from Nu Aqua. We're just unboxing a new shipment of fish in today, and I thought I'd share with you guys straight from the styros what we got coming in the store today. Up first, we have a species of snail. This bag looks a little rough. We had two boxes from the same supplier come today. One did not fare as well as the other. This box looks a little nasty. In here we have prem Prambanon snails. These guys are a species of snail I have not worked with yet. From what I've read, they are a little more attractive version of a Malaysian trumpet snail kind of a deal. They do some substrate burrowing. They're a detritus eater. They're not really an algae munching snail, I do not believe. These guys are more of a leftover food slash fish food cleanup crew type of snail. Excited to work with these guys, though. They're nice and big, really pretty shells. And that's how we're kicking it off today. Up next, we have 4 big bags here. And I believe they are all, these are all CPDs, aka Galaxy Rasboras, guys. Super, super hot fish for us here, and I think for everybody. And for good reason. Gorgeous, small, peaceful fish. Works great in nano tanks. And they are absolutely gorgeous. These guys look great. This bag looks fantastic. We ordered about 100, I believe, so it looks like we got 25 or so in each of these bags. They all look pretty darn good. Excellent. Up next, we got a couple small bags here. We have some very small snails. A little smaller than I like to see them, but for those of you with nano tanks, these are this is a bag of pumpkin nerites. Nice orange, fun pattern, nerite snail. Cute, tiny, awesome. Up next, we have another bag of nerites. Ooh, these are spiky nerites. These are really fun. I'm not sure if these are the ones that are known as King Koopa nerites, but they sure look like it. They have a very spiky, fun shell that's reminiscent of that character from Super Mario Brothers. These guys all look great. Really fun snail. Up next, another bag of snails. In this bag, we have Papuan blueberry snails. These are hot snail right now, you guys. I believe these were brought into the hobby, at least partially by Corey from Aquarium Co-op. Big props to Corey. Huge inspiration for what we do here. These are a really fun snail. Super neat. They have a blue cast to their shell. These guys look pretty good. Water nice and clear. Awesome. We got, how many did we get of these guys? 24? Excellent. Super neat snail. Excited to have those in. All right, up next is some more fish. Ooh, tail spot pygmy cories. So these guys are another pygmy Corydora species similar to that of the Corydora pygmaeus that everyone's starting to get pretty used to in the hobby. These guys just have a different paint job. Everyone looks excellent in here. I like these guys a little better than your regular pygmy cory, a little more sporty looking. These guys look fantastic. Everybody's cruising around hard in there. Very nice. Next up is, only 4 flameback bleeding hearts. So if you have never seen a picture of these guys, Google it real quick. They are a different type locality, different collection location of bleeding heart tetra. I want to say these are from Brazil. There's Brazil or Peru, but I think these are from Brazil. And like a regular bleeding heart, they get that cool little red pink spot on their side that looks like a heart. However, these guys get a flame back, and it's a super intense pinkish red that goes along their whole spine, like dorsal area, spine, and all that. And these are really nice looking. This group of 4 only is probably going to go up as a what you see is what you get group. As long as they pass quarantine, which I think they will because everybody looks fantastic, but only 4 of those guys, unfortunately. Alrighty, next up is, these are really fun. Really fun. So these are Borneo tricolor crabs. These are, I'm not sure what you guys can see through this bag. These are a semi-aquatic crab species that are getting more and more popular now. There's a bunch of different relatives and different color variations, different species of these guys. These all look okay. That guy's moving. Everybody's moving. Excellent. These are an awesome crab that I have never kept myself, and I'm definitely going to hang on to at least one of these for the shop just to really learn about them. But what I do know is they need about like a 70 to 30 water to land ratio, and by land it's just exposed rock, wood, sand, and embankment, whatever you want to do above the water line that they can get in and out and do their thing. These are really, really, really pretty, and I'm super excited to play around with those guys and offer them to you all. All right, big bag up next. Ooh, these are not labeled, but if I do remember correctly, these are a species of lampi that's different from your Norman's lampi. I believe they were sold as iridescent lampis, but if you Google that, you're not going to see anything. They are a neon lampi, different species than the Normans, similar body shape, but they're going to have a little more color to them. From West Africa, this bag looks a little rough. We definitely have some floaters in here, so those are going to need some very intense quarantine attention. But excited to see what those guys color up and look like. Bit of a mystery for me. Okay, we have two bags of the same here. These are Kohaku swords, aka red and white albino swordtails. These guys all look really good. Last time we got these in, we got almost exclusively females. It looks like we have a nice mix of males and females here. Very pretty swordtail variety. Let's check this other bag of them right now. This bag's a little more discolored. Yeah, we have a floater in this bag. This came from the box. It just did not fare as well. But everybody else looks okay. Great color delineation on these guys. Very pretty. Alrighty. This bag is neon coolie loaches. For anybody who's a little wiggle worm fan, these guys are a neat coolie loach. They are, very similar to your regular coolie loach, but they do not have that black patterning on them. Instead, they have kind of like this metallic glowy sheen to them, but just as active, just as wiggly and fun as your regular coolie loach. Always a good time. Okay, second to last bag here is, all right, chocolate grammies. If you guys have never seen these before, they are an awesome smaller grammy species that's great for like a blackwater botanical biotope. These guys probably are going to require some live foods. We have converted them over before, but at first they do like to take live stuff. They are jumpers despite their body shape, like most grammies are. But these are really, really cool grammies. We only got 6 of these guys, and I'm super excited about them. Oh no, yeah, one floater in there as well. This came from the bad box, but looks like 5 are doing just fine. Excellent. All right, and last but not least, the finale here to this shipment, smaller shipment we got. But this is a bag of betas, and they are not all in the same bag. They're in little tiny bags with a very, very minuscule amount of water. For those of you who have never seen betas shipped like this before, it's a little shocking. The first time I saw it in person, I was definitely like, what is going on? But they seem to come in okay. In here we have, I don't know if you guys can see, we have a nice big show koi male. There's a hellboy, yellow hellboy there. I believe there's a pair of green aliens in here, a male and a female. We got some blue and whites, some samurais. This is some kind of galaxy metallic guy. Very cool. I think 6 betas in that bag. All right, guys, that's it for this shipment. Stay tuned. Follow us here. Follow us on all our socials. Make sure you sign up for our mailing list on the website. And stay tuned for when these guys are available. Thanks.